What's up, what's up? Welcome back to Ethan is Cooking. It's gonna be a late night special. We're cooking some spicy fettuccine Alfredo. So I got some scotch bonnet peppers, I got some jalapenos, and I got red pepper fettuccine. Yeah, red pepper fettuccine. Garlic, of course. Okay, now time for the sauce. I'm going to be making a 3-ingredient sauce. It's a quarter cup of butter, about a quarter cup of cream, and a quarter cup of cheese. Just because it's for one person, it's going to be smaller. If you're making it for 2 people or 3 people, probably want to use about a half a cup. Looks like the water's ready. Chicken. That chicken needs to be flipped. I'd say the sauce needs just a little bit more time. But the noodles are definitely pretty much there. And the chicken's almost ready, so we are almost there. So don't worry, I'm not gonna throw all these peppers in. I'm just gonna throw probably cut one up in, 4 1 or 2, because if not, it could be overpowering. Especially since it's just for one person. You definitely want the scotch bonnet pepper flavor in there. Okay, so it's almost time for everything we've done. I'm just gonna take out the chicken and get it all ready. I got the peppers all ready, got the sauce ready, the noodles are ready. So it's time to see how it is. Okay, we're just gonna add the noodles in now. Pretty sure they go straight in. It's important to get a good noodle to sauce ratio. Okay. done. I've never done a part of the video where I eat the food after, so I'm gonna eat it this time. Just right in the middle of the kitchen, I guess. I don't know if this is close enough, you can see it. This is what it looks like. Thank you for watching. Tune in for more. Feel free to try it at home. I'm going to be posting the whole recipe. Yeah, just tell me what you think in the comments or send me a message. Especially if you try it. If you try it, I want to hear like how it went. I've never really walked anybody through cooking before. You know, I'm not professionally trained, but I've gotten lots of great reviews on my food. So give it a try. Subscribe, like, follow, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next video.